Good morning, families. So today we're going to do coffee filter rainbows for art. Much like the last art project, the handprint tree frame or tree scene. It's very loose. Like if kids want to are only focused on using certain colors, then don't fight it. It's fine. So just have a white coffee filter. I'm using watercolor paint, although you can always use Crayola, like washable markers, and then spray the filter to let the colors bleed. So the water kind of gives it a cool bleeding effect with the colors. So just going to start in the middle with purple. Do a nice big circle in the middle. And we're going to do essentially all, like the whole filter. And then in the end, you can always cut it in half, and then you have two rainbows, or just leave it whole. So it's kind of starting in the middle like this. And then moving on out after you're done with the purple, going with the blue, just around the purple. And like I said, it's water colors, so the water is going to kind of make the colors bleed together, which is totally fine. Kind of cool natural effect. It's not going to be perfect. And no need to rush through it. Take your time. So I have blue around the purple for the next color, and then I'll keep going on out to the green. Really, you can make each color as thick as you want, or as thin as you want. If it's just a small little line, it's all depending on how your child is really willing to do it. But again, in the end, it's a matter of doing the activity to how the child wants to do it. Doesn't have to be exactly like how it is on here, or however you think it should be. It could be completely different. So I did green. I'm moving on to yellow. And I've found, like, if you have more water on the paintbrush when you do it, the color bleeds a little bit more and it's not as strong or prominent. So if your child is sitting there putting a lot of water on the filter, that's totally okay. It's just going to make the colors bleed more, and that's totally fine. As you can see, kind of started going around with the yellow. They're really fun, like spring, easy spring art activities for the kids to do right now that it's spring. So you're going to keep going around until you get the whole filter covered. And then, so you purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. And then you just cut them in half, and then you actually have two. Or you can keep it as a whole once it dries. Luckily, coffee filters dry pretty quickly, so that's gonna be really helpful for you guys. So there's the wait time is a lot shorter. So, but that is all for the coffee filter rainbow. Thanks.